Alright folks, a little video coming your way from the dungeon again. This time, common problem on the FT-101 series of radios. So I'm injecting a signal. Let me just take you to the 50 microvolts coming out of the old Schlummi. 50 microvolts should give me an S9. Okay, but look at that, I've got an S5. I've got the bottom open over here. I'm just going to turn off the power quickly, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little jumper wire in a certain place for you, and you will see immediately how you can very quickly test if this is the phenomenon that I'm talking about. And it's that transmit receive relay, which is back there. This guy over here, contacts tend to go resistive, and it needs a clean. But the way you can very quickly test it is just connect a crocodile clip onto your BNC socket at the back there. This is the RF in socket. Okay, whoops, down. RF in socket, which kind of bypasses the transmit receive relay, and then you bridge it out to, let me just take the top one off so you can see what I'm done. So that this is the signal coming in from the main coax over there onto radio, and I'm jumpering it from that conductor over there to my RF in, and turn it on, and immediately I've got S9. It's going to be a little bit lower because of course that's a bit of a parasitic arrangement over there. It's not the optimum, but you can see immediately you're getting a huge increase in your signal level, and it's telling me that I need to clean that relay, which is what I'm going to do next. Now, what's very important when you're going to go and clean that relay is to protect yourself. How do I know? Don't ask, but it's a shocking experience. Alright, so I have loosened the 4 screws on top. 1, 2, 3, actually 3 screws, not 4. This one has 3. And now I'm going to lift this cage off. Now, heed the warning. Voltage very high. There. These boys over here are waiting to hurt you. They want to hurt you. They dream of hurting you. They just that kind of a guy. So, now what I want to do is just connect up ground and my positive probe, and I want to check these voltages here. Make sure is my VTVM set for 1500 volts, because nothing else will do, and ensure that I'm getting no horrible voltages waiting to murder me. And I also just want to feel around here. Nothing going on, nothing doing. So now I know I can touch most things around here. I'm just checking everywhere randomly. Why? Because I've stuck my hand in there before and hurt myself. So now that it's clear, even with all of that testing, I'm going to use a pair of insulated pliers to remove the clip holding that relay in position. Okay, the clip's out of the way, and now the relay, I'm just going to grab it like this and pull it out. There we go, and she's free. So now I need to take it apart and give the contacts a clean, and I'll be right back, and I'll be showing you exactly how that works. Stand by. Okay, sports fans, the relay is out, and now I need to take it apart. Just want to check, yeah, there's only one way you can put it back. You see it's got a little index mark over there. So it'll only go back in one way. No issues. Just got to pop these sides loose. There we go. She's out. Now I want to get in between these contacts over here with a little bit of paper, and so you can push it out the way like that. Get in there between the contacts with a bit of paper and give it a good old clean up. Coronavirus alcohol tissues. I reckon perfect for this job. I don't know how I'm going to get it in there, but we'll give it a go. I need to get under with my magnifier, so just bear with me. Okay, a bit of extra filming for you. I've got to get into the inner parts because of course these relays switch in two directions. Sorry, it's not focusing. They switch across and back, you know. Now I've got it in the relaxed position, so I've got to get that clean as well. So I'm giving that a bit of pressure with a piece of paper that I've cut, and just to kind of buff those contacts. And you can see on that paper that I'm getting residue coming off there, which is great. That means that this is doing its job. Go into the TX position, rub-a-dub-dub. That's pretty clean. Alright, so now we'll put the old box back on. That way around. Click. And back into the old Yaesu she goes. Let's give it a little wipe while it's out. Just to show there's no hard feelings. Love these alcohol wipes. Best thing that ever happened to my radio workshop. Relays in place. Flippity flip. Gonna have to turn up the volume because the VFO's. And what have we got? An S7. Not bad. Not what I wanted, but it's not bad. Okay, we'll just turn you down. It seems to be a much more consistent performance. Just set my pre-select. That's about as good as the pre-select's going to get as well. So I don't know why. RF gain's up. The attenuator's fine. Oh, I thought I had more than that last time round. Me's no like it is. Don't know why. But while I'm here, and actually I know why now. Now I know why. Because I'm still on safe. Now it's reading 800 volts. And I'm probably getting my full S9 there as well now. Get a look. Yep, that's it. And I seem to have sorted out my TX-RX problems, which is just great. So that was the purpose of this video, and thanks for watching. I'll probably try and edit out the boring bits, and I'll bring you more of this wonderful old FT-101 or Sommerkamp FT-277E. It's a 101E. Thanks for watching.